So it's come to my attention that over in Perth, there is another Aussie YouTuber. And a lot of people have been saying to me, he's a lot like you, except that he has a better ute. And a better beard. So I looked him up. And arguably, yeah, he does have a better ute. And possibly a better beard. But having a ute with a turbo that's pretty and runs and does stuff, and a nice beard that's possibly better than mine, is one thing. But can he actually do the work in the true Aussie hack fashion? So, Mr. Reece, I want to put a challenge directly to you. Do your pretty beard and your nice ute truly have the hackery skills to rival my own? I doubt it. Here's the challenge, the proposal, if you will. You have 30 days to make a genuinely useful tool for the workshop. But here's the catch. You are not allowed to spend a dime. It can only be made out of junk you have laying around already. And it has to be something that anybody with moderate skills could make on their own. Now here's what I need from you guys. Tag Reece in this video. Go to his page, comment on his videos. Tell him that he is being challenged. Tell him that I am coming for the title. Tell him that he should show up. Unless, of course, he's too scared. Also, if you're a backyard tinkerer or a hacksmith or a content spinning machine, I need ideas. I want you to comment or post and tell me about the best hack tool that you have made that has revolutionized your shed activities. I want to see what you mad scientists have come up with that I can possibly steal for my own. Because honestly, I haven't thought about what I'm going to do yet. I have like a loose idea. So, Mr. Reece, your completed project is due as an uploaded video by the first week of August. Should you fail to show up, I will be crowned King of the Middle-Aged Bearded Ute-Having YouTubers. And that is a title that you should desperately want, and I desperately wish to retain. I look forward to your response, Mr. Reece. Let's see what Western Australia's actually got. And may the most hack-worthy man win. Seriously, everybody, go down in the comments, tag him. Let him know that this is happening, whether he likes it or not. Catch you in the next one.